We say that the hour of death cannot be forecast.
Babe,
But when we say this, we imagine that the hour is placed in an obscure and distant future. Never occurs
I've
to
only
us
been
that it
saying I
has
wanted
any
crispy
connection
crunchy for
with the day already begun.
What do you
Or that death could arrive this same afternoon.
What?
This afternoon, which is so certain,
I keep
literally right there.
and which has every hour.
Telling me that
Building
you
advance.
have been saying for like the past 20 minutes now. When you had the ability to like, and I would have been like,
did you mean to do that?
batteries at 10%. 2 hours ago.
Why do you have so many missed calls, huh?
Larry.
What does he want?
I don't know, he just like called me.
Call him.
I want to.
Why not?
Because I tell them all the time, Saturday I'm not going to pick up the phone. But they always call me on Saturday. Whoa, it's different. What?
Ew, what's wrong with your phone?
Why is it different?
Oh yeah, they updated it.
Why? It's gross.
I don't know. Yeah, I hate it. Yeah, look at it. You haven't noticed this either? Oh, yours is still normal.
Yeah, that's weird.
I mean, honestly, God, I hate mine.
Yeah. 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 See, one of them has like wings and stuff.
Gee.
Pick your poison, man. Pick your poison. That one's farther away.
$5 off. I need 35.
That one's $7.
Well, hold on.
Hey,
Hold on.
it was like $7.
Yeah, but hold on. Yeah, but I want to see if they have an option for more sauces. They don't.